Yes, students, now in this video I am going to explain about third type of sum for which system of linear equations have no solution. In yesterday lecture we learnt about those system of linear equations which has a infinite number of solutions and unique solutions. And for these type of solutions we found value of unknowns which were present in the pair of linear equations. Now we want to find the value of k for the following system of linear equation that have no solution. Okay, so what is the condition for no solution? Let's we take one example. Firstly, before it, let's we take two equations. I am going to take two equations. 3x plus y is equals to 1, and second one is 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equals to 2k plus 1. First equation is this and second equation is this. So which type of solution we have given? No solution. So for no solution, what we will take? For no solution, what is the condition? Yes, you can tell a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. Now put these values here. a1 3 coefficient of x, a2 coefficient of x in second equation 2k minus 1, b1 coefficient of y in first equation, b2 coefficient of y in second equation is not equals to c1 upon c2 constant term of both equations, that means 1 upon 2k plus 1. Now firstly take first these two members. 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equals to 1 upon k minus 1, and secondly we can take 1 upon k minus 1 is not equals to 1 upon 2k plus 1. Okay, let's we solve firstly these two members. If we will solve these two members, then what we will get? Cross multiply them. 3 into k minus 1 is equals to 2k minus 1. So we will get 3k minus 3 is equals to 2k minus 1. So combined term of k, 3k minus 2k is equals to minus 1 plus 3. 3k minus 2k is a k and minus 1 plus 3, that is equals to 2. So from here we are getting value of k is equals to 2. Let's we solve this side also. If we will solve both sides, then what we will get by cross multiplication? 2k plus 1 is not equals to k minus 1. Shift value of k in this side. 2k minus k is not equals to minus 1 and minus 1. 2k minus k is not equals to minus 2. Okay. So what we are getting? We are getting k is equals to 2 and k is not equals to minus 2. So it means for k is equals to 2, the given system of linear equations have no solution. You can check in this condition also by substituting this k is equals to 2. Are you getting these all not equal? So for k is equals to 2, what we have? a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. That means 3 upon k minus 1, 1 upon k minus 1 is not equals to 1 upon 2k plus 1. So put here k is equals to 2. 3 upon 2 minus 1, 1 upon 2 minus 1 is not equals to 1 upon 2 into 2 plus 1. 3 upon 2 minus 1, that means 1, and 1 upon k minus 1, sorry, it was here 2k minus 1, not k minus 1, so 2k minus 1, so it will be 2 into 2 minus 1, so 3 upon 4 minus 1, that means it will be 3. 1 upon 2 minus 1, that is 1, is not equals to 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 3 is cancelled by 3, 1 is equals to 1 is not equals to 1 upon 5. It means for k is equals to 2, we are getting this condition right. A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2, that is not equals to C1 upon C2. It means k is equals to 2. For k is equals to 2, the given pair of linear equations have no solution. So therefore, for k is equals to 2, the given system of linear equations, the given system of linear equations have no solution. Okay. So today in homework you can do sums related to this property. If we have no solution for given system of linear equation, then find the value of unknown. That unknown can be anyone, k, p, etc. Okay, bye bye and happy learning.